First open a browser and type here MySQL. MySQL. And click on the first result, MySQL. And click on download. And now scroll the screen and select MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Click on here. And see the item here. Choose item MySQL installer for Windows. Click here. And select the version of MySQL. Latest version is 8.0.35 and select operating system Windows and choose the second option, Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer, and click on download. And now click on no thanks, just start my download. Click here. And download begin here. Now download has complete. And click here to open file or go to the folder. Now go to the download folder and double click on MySQL installer community MSI file. Double click on this. And give the permission. There are 4 options for installing: server only, client only, and full version, and custom version. At the moment I am choosing custom version, so select custom and click on next, and click on MySQL servers and choose the version of MySQL server 8.0.35. This is the latest version for MySQL, and select this and click on this arrow and collect. And now go to the applications and click on MySQL workbench and choose the workbench and select this and click on this arrow. And now choose the MySQL cell and click on cell and click on cell version and click on this arrow and collect this. And now click on next button. And there are 3 products ready to install. And click on execute. And now execution starting. First installing MySQL server, and now second installing MySQL workbench, Now click on next button. And now ready for configuration MySQL. Click on next button. Now type and networking. TCP IP and port number is 3306. This is default for MySQL. And keep the all things as same. And click on next. And click on next. And keep the password here. And remember this MySQL. For root user, this is our user root, and I am keeping 1 2 3 4 5. This is a weak password. 1 2 3 4 5. You can keep a strong password. So I am keeping for only testing purpose. So click. Now you can add a user. Click on here and you can add a user. And click on next. And this is our Windows service name, MySQL 80. And click on next. Click on next. And click on execute. And click on finish. Click on next. And now you can start the MySQL workbench and start the MySQL shell after setup. Click on finish. And shell is started. Okay. And MySQL workbench also started. This is our root user and our connection. And now click on this connection. And username is root. And our password is 1 2 3 4 5. Click on OK. This is MySQL workbench. Now you can add a database and a tables or others database component. Now add the environment variables. Go to the My Programs. And click on MySQL and select the folder MySQL Server 8.0 and click on bin and click here and copy this address. Now add a environment variables and search the environment variables. And click on environment. Edit the system environment variables. Click on open. And select the advanced tab. Click on environment variables. And select this path. Click on here. And select new. And paste the path here. And now click OK. And click OK. And click OK. Now check the version of MySQL. And this is our current version of MySQL version 8.0.354 Windows 64. Now exit. Now our MySQL server is installed correctly. Thank you for watching this video.